we go. It's all pretty dirty, lots of poo marks. But this is what we get to work with today. Tesla. Let's get the rear clamshells. Fun. Yeah, that's going to be a problem. So it looks beauty in here. I can see why people like these things. That is for sure. That's windows. Holy smokes. It's a tour guide's dream in these things. Alright, this is all done finally. All cleaned, top to bottom. Looks beauty. Reflection of me doesn't look so good. Car looks good. The hood I left alone because it's got films in the bumper, so I wouldn't touch it. But everything else is shiny. Shiny, clean all the way through. Even some of the under stuff. Interior is all cleaned. Windows all the way to the back. Dash, windows, tops, suede. Leather's been done. Treated. Rugs, doors, windows, seals, window tops, everything. Pretty good. I am pretty happy with that. Even cleaned the frunk and trunk.